Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste threaten our ecosystems. But at PENTU, we don't see
It begins with a choice. Smart sourcing allows us to harvest high-density polymers before they ever reach a landfill. Our proprietary collection system ensures that only the most energy-dense material, polyethylene and polypropylene, the building blocks of high-grade synthetic fuel.
Welcome to the PENTU Energy Park.
Before a single drop leaves our facility, it must pass the PENTU gold standard. We test for purity and mileage. Every batch is cross-referenced with international fuel standards. This isn't just recycled plastic. The fuel is now moved to our automated packaging line, designed for safety and zero leakage efficiency. Efficiency is matched by safety. Our sealed injection system ensures that every container is filled to the exactus. Our tamper-proof sealing process ensures the integrity of the fuel from our factory to the final purchase. Transparency is our policy. Each label carries a unique QR code, allowing its precision. From a single discarded bottle to thousands of liters of premium fuel, the journey is nearly complete, protected and secured. Our packaging is designed for the rigors of international transport. Ensure you, at PENTU, the future of energy is autonomous, efficient, and clean. We are moving toward a world where pamphlets. The harvest has been processed. The waste has been reborn. Now,